Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 5, Day 2. Listen carefully. I am going to say a word, at. Then I'm going to put ch in front, chat. I'm going to say more sounds and words. Add this sound to the beginning of the word to make a new word. Ill, put ch in front, chill. Eat, put what in front, wheat. In, put ch in front, chin. Ant, put ch in front, chant. Am, put what in front, wham. At, put ch in front, chat. Okay, so if you remember from yesterday, CH says ch. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds to read that. 3, 2, 1, check. 3, 2, 1, rich. 3, 2, 1, chin. 3, 2, 1, bunch. 3, 2, 1, chest. 3, 2, 1, bench. 3, 2, 1, catch. 3, 2, 1, lunch. Okay, and you'll notice TCH, if we have TCH, it's always at the end. It's never at the beginning. The CH can be at the beginning or the end. Okay, this is the cheese card, as in chat, lunch, or patch. So we have CH at the beginning, ch. We have CH at the end, ch. And we have TCH at the end, ch. So here's our digraph. CH, 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 ch. Choo, 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 ch, ch, ch. TCH, TCH, ch, ch, ch. Choo, 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 ch, ch, ch. Okay, next one. This is the whale card. And if you remember, it really has one sound. In the olden days, we used to say hua, but it actually kind of has two nowadays, because some people say hua and some say wa. For today, we're saying hua. So, this is whale and when. WH, WH, hua, hua, hua. White whale, hua, hua, hua. Okay, this is the fire card. PH is a digraph and it says f, as in fill. The most famous PH probably is the phone. So let's do that. PH, PH, f, f, f. Phony phone, phony phone, f, f, f. Okay, let's make some words. So this is ch. I'm going to let you do it. Blend. Word. Chill. Blend. Word. Chess. Oh, chess. Blend. Word. Fetch. This is hua. Word. Whiz. Okay. Next. Ooh, this looks like a name. Blend. Steph. Word is Steph. Okay. Let's do these together. Hua, hua, whack. Word. Whack. Hua. Itch. Which. Hua. And. Word. When. This time, I'm going to let you do them. 3, 2, 1. Graph. PH says f. That's our digraph. 3, 2, 1. Chick. 3, 2, 1. Chest. Like a chest of treasure. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Lunch. 3, 2, 1. Catch. 3, 2, 1. Pitch. And one more time, I want to point out, CH can be in the front or the back. TCH can only be in the back. Okay, it cannot be at the beginning of a word. Okay, here's our word. Let's blend it. Lunch. Change the l to munch. Change the to b, bunch. Change the b to p, punch. Change the to I, pinch. Get rid of the p. Cover it up with your hand. Inch. Get rid of the N. Itch. And put a D in front. Ditch. Change the D to H. Hitch. Change the H to P. Pitch. Change the I to A. Patch. Change the Ch to T. Pat. Change the P to H. Hat. Change the H to Ch. Chat. Change the T to P. Chap. Change the A to A. Chop. Change the A to I. Chip. Change the Ch to Wh. Whip. Change the P to Whim. Change the to Z. Whiz. Okay, and last, change the Z to Ch. Which. Okay, here are our high frequency words. This is round. It actually is a compound word, round. Okay, 5 times. Around, 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 around. The top spins around. Bye, 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 bye. I sat by Chad at lunch. Many, 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 many. Many kids like to run. Okay, so this one I want to talk about for just a second. This is pull. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A, pull, A, and then C-E is sneaky C. Pull A, S. Sneaky C wants to be an S. Place. 5 times. Place, 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 place. This is a good place to sit. Okay, A-L says ah. W-A-K. Walk, 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 walk. Walk with me. Okay, here we go. Let's read this. Map, match. Okay, here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. Day. 3, 2, 1. Buy. 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. Many. 3, 2, 1. Could. 3, 2, 1. Walk. 3, 2, 1. New. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Around. 3, 2, 1. Of. 3, 2, 1. You. Okay, here we go. Map, match. Oh, there's my ch digraph. Okay, let's look at these words. I see some sight words. I see ch, ch, ch. Okay, let's read it together. Ready? Begin. One day, Mitch went by a bench. It had a map on it. Mitch got the map. It was such a big map. Okay. So, ready? Begin. The map had many things on it. Mitch could walk to them. He went to the spot with a bat. He could pitch and catch. So the park, looks like they went to the park. Okay, here's another one. Mitch, oh, ready? Begin. Mitch went to a new spot and sat. He and Nell had 2 chess matches. They played and then had a chat. Okay, let's look for our patterns. There's ch, the digraph. Ch, 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 ch. Lots of ch digraphs. Okay, ready? Begin. Mitch went to a spot to see a bunch of chicks. Mitch was glad. Will a new chick hatch? Okay, let's look for our digraph. Ch, 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 ch. Okay, ready? Begin. Mitch checked his map. He did a map match. Mitch went all around the map. He had lots of fun. Okay, friends. So, when we are... Okay, so first of all, this word is patch. So, what you'll notice is, in the past, we've been talking about S, SS, and X. Whenever you have S at the end of a word, SS or X, you have to add an ES. because otherwise it doesn't make sense. Now let's try adding just an S for more than one. Patch, patches, patches. Does that make sense? No. So we have to go patches. So ES. When we have a CH, a TCH, or an SH, we have to add the ES. So let's look at some words. Lunch. Do you see a CH? I do. Remember, CH, SH, or TCH, you have to add ES. Lunches. Ranch becomes ranches. Match, TCH, becomes matches. Ditch, TCH, becomes ditches. And we know about our X, S, and S. Those have to have S's. ES. Box, because if I don't do it, watch. Box. Did I say more than one? No, you have to have the ES to say more than one. Boxes. Wish. Wishes. Kiss. Kisses. Buzz. Buzzes. Okay? Because let's say I had, let me erase this really fast. If I had wish, let's say I have wish and I add an S, it'd be wish or box. That makes no sense. You have to add ES. Boxes, wishes, kisses, buzzes. So please remember CH, SH, TCH, you have to add ES to mean more than one, as well as X, S, and double S. Okay, let's talk about this for a minute. So yesterday, I kind of went quickly because I was running out of time. We were talking about irregular plurals. Irregular plurals, so most of the time when you have more than one, you add an S or an ES. If I have box, I'm going to add boxes. If I have cat, I just add an S, cats. But some words, when it's more than one, we have to change the whole word. So watch. A man walked by. So the noun can change. When you have a plural noun, irregular plural noun, the whole word changes. So man, we wouldn't say mans. That makes no sense. Mans. You say then two men walked by. So the A became an E. So A to E. Man becomes men. Okay, let's look at another one. A woman claps. Okay, see how it says A? So that's one woman. 3 women stand up. Do you see the change? The E. So man becomes woman. We changed the whole word. We're not just adding an S. Okay, these are called irregular plural nouns. So man becomes men. Child becomes children. Person becomes people. Mouse becomes mice. Okay, we'll talk more about this later. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow.